When it comes to protecting your plants from colder weather, you have options. Wraps are made of cloth or plastic and generally resemble bags. They are typically used on one or a few plants, often shrubs, hanging baskets, or potted plants. They come in a variety of sizes, so you can find one that best fits your plants. This lightweight cloth material works for both durable bushes and delicate flowers and crops. Many times they include a cinch cord for easy installation. Simply drape the wrap over your plant, cinch, and go. Use it before an expected frost to keep your plants 6 to 8 degrees warmer. Netting is another useful garden accessory when it comes to protecting your plants. It's used for preventing wildlife and other unwanted critters from getting into your crop, and some netting can be used for support as a trellis. As a versatile product, netting can be draped around plants, staked into the ground, or wrapped around stakes for a fence-like perimeter protection. Netting with flexible diamond-shaped aperture is best for draping over plants, while stiffer, square aperture works best for fencing options. Netting should be easy to maintain without risk of rust or corrosion, and should come in a variety of sizes to meet your garden project needs. Then there's plant protection blankets. Simply drape the cloth over your plants and use fabric pegs or garden staples to secure in place. Durable enough to protect from harsh winds, winter frosts, and icy rain, yet lightweight enough to allow water and nutrients to pass through. Plant protection blankets keep your plants warm without suffocating them. Proper preparation and garden accessories can help established plants stay healthy during their dormant season. At Jobs, we do more than feed and protect plants. We grow better things.